how to network and where to tap into when you're first starting your business. So there are 3 different areas that I would definitely ask you to look into. One would be, where is your ideal client hanging out? Number 2 is, where are your industry people hanging out? And number 3 is, where is your growth going to be hanging out? And so the reason I have these different buckets is because you want to tap into those different areas when you're looking to network. Now, number 1 is, where's your ideal client hanging out? Who is your ideal client and where are they hanging out? So is that on Facebook? Is that on Instagram? Are there conferences that are happening? Are there local meetups that are happening in your town? Whether you're creative or whether you are a non-creative industry professional or entrepreneur, where is everybody hanging out? And where are those clients of yours? So say you're a creative like I am, and also serving the creative industry like I am. And so my ideal clients are creative entrepreneurs. And so where do they hang out? Where do my entrepreneurs hang out? My startup entrepreneurs hang out? Where do my ideal clients hang out? So I go to Chooses Together meetings, local chapter meetings. They're amazing. And so I go there, I learn, but I'm also able to expand my network and also gain exposure on what my ideal client wants. Now, you don't want to just go there and say, oh, okay, I'm here, this is what I do, haha. You have to offer something. You have to offer value. Because at the end of the day, if you're not offering value, if you're not offering something generously and abundantly from your end, you're gonna have a hard time getting traction and also getting attraction as well. Now, number 2 is your industry people, your industry peeps, your mentors. Where are they hanging out? Go there. Because when you go to the industry meetups, you also get more knowledge. You expand your horizon, you expand your education. You also see what's new and what's happening in your industry. Because if you don't, you'll become stagnant. You'll start talking about things that are so antiquated that don't even make sense or are not even relevant. So go and hang out where your industry people are hanging out. Now, sometimes it just may be the same places where your ideal client is hanging out, and that's totally fine. But go, make an effort. Take that first step, and that first step can be really uncomfortable. I remember when I first went to any of these conferences or any of these meetups, I didn't know a person, I didn't know anybody. But I kept showing up, I kept going, I kept pushing myself outside of my comfort zone. And now I know people, and I know people in a way where they know me, even if I don't know them. And that's like the most amazing thing, because I never thought that that could be a situation, and it is. And so I encourage you to really step out of your box, step out of the comfort zone, because if you're a business owner, the number 1 thing you're doing for yourself is marketing. And the way you market your business is by showing up. Now, number 3 also is very important to me, and that is, where is my growth happening? And that is the 3rd bucket, the growth bucket. The growth bucket is not necessarily people in the same industry as you. It's not necessarily your ideal client, but really it's people you are surrounding yourself with that will help promote you, support you, encourage you, that are people that are doing better than you, that are people that are humans and people that are just really the ideal person that you would love to see yourself be one day, or people that you're achieving to be. And not to say that you're not that, or not to say that you don't have those qualities, but surrounding yourself with people who are better than you just encourages you to be better also, because you are the median of the 5 people that you're hanging out with. So if those 5 people are completely amazing humans, then maybe you'll become that amazing human too. And so the idea is that you get encouraged, you're a sponge, you get influenced. And why not be influenced with the people that you look up to? Why not be influenced with the people that you wish to be or see yourself be in that position one day? And this has nothing to do with being envious of somebody. This has nothing to do with being jealous of somebody, but this is someone that you can promote, applaud, encourage, support, but then someone who gives that right back at you. And it's so sincere and so genuine that you feel it in your bones, how sincere and genuine it is. It's not easy to find, but you can start off by maybe joining small groups or pods, where kind of like a mastermind groups or mastermind pods. A lot of different coaches offer that. Or go to a coach, even just go to one coach and go to somebody who can talk to you, guide you, and give you that strategy, lifestyle coach, or a life coach even, or a business coach, or an executive coach. And then those avenues lead you to other avenues. And sometimes, you know, it might be a membership in some organization where women are just excelling, or men are just excelling, or people are excelling. And so it could be a variety of different ways that you can put yourself in a place where there's growth, but definitely do that. Well, with that being said, have an awesome, awesome day, and I will see you later on Law Chat. Bye.